What's up, everybody? When you try to remote in using remote desktop connection, and you're getting this error message, here's what you need to do. You need to go to Start and type Edit Group Policy. Open Edit Group Policy. Right here, you need to go into Administrative Templates. Then you need to click on Systems. And right here, Credential Delegation. Double click on Encryption Oracle Remediation. And right here, you need to enable it. And protection level, change it to Vulnerable. And then click OK. And this should fix the issue. Alright, I was able to remote in. This is one of the ways how to fix this error issue. Thanks for watching.